Hi! So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of Choczero. It's chocolate that's just chocolate and stevia sweetener, I'm pretty sure. It's a very keto chocolate and I really like it. So this is my third one. And they gave me a free gift in this one. So I was like, okay, I'm going to try it and try the free gift. And then it was like $35 or something to get free shipping. So I went ahead and did that. And I'm just gonna show you what I got. It's really good. I'm gonna unbox it right now. Hopefully you can see that. I'm cutting it open. Just opened it. Kind of hard to open, but I got Choczero, which is a milk chocolate, no sugar added, keto bark con. And then, so it has milk chocolate, unsweetened chocolate, cacao powder, whole milk powder, monk fruit extract, con, sunflower lecithin. So it's okay, vanilla beans. They're so good though. And then I got another one. This one's pecan. Yeah, these two are both pecan. And almonds. And then these ones are so good too. And then another one of these ones. They're so good. And there's like, I don't know how many there's in there, but they're really good. I'm gonna keep them in the freezer and just have one a day or something. And then these, I'm gonna make some cookies later for these. I think these are better than Lily's, honestly. They're so good. And then, this is my free gift. I'll try it, see if it's good. So, this is everything I got. So I totally didn't get paid for this, so I'm just sharing. If you like them, I don't know. I really like them, so I'm just sharing. I like these, and I like Lily's chocolate chips, but I don't really like their bars. But I really like these. Anyways, enjoy. Does it taste like regular chocolate?
It's yummy.
You like it? Mm-hmm.
It tastes a little different from regular chocolate.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.